Welcome back to Daytime here on Rogers Television. Well, it is true, green living is really taking over, and it's such a great thing to hear. And we want to help you bring green living into your home. So we brought in an expert to help us out today and give us all the tips that we need to know. Her name is Alicia Beith, and you are from Ecoteriors, right, Alicia? It's wonderful to have you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much for being with us. We're really excited to hear more about this and how we can bring eco living into our homes. Good. First off, I think because it's our first time, the viewers are meeting you and your first time with us, why don't you tell us a little bit about Ecoteriors, what you do, and your background.
All right. Well, Ecoteriors is a design consulting business that focuses on environmentally friendly design solutions for your home. So we can help you with color consultations, furniture, window treatments, even outdoor living spaces, and just kind of putting that eco spin on it and helping people make the right decision if they are really truly concerned about the environment.
What about your specific training? What's your background?
I graduated from Fanshawe College in London, Ontario a couple years ago, and ever since I graduated I've been, researching this for years and years, and finally one day I said, you know what, I'm going to plunge and I'm just going to do it. I'm going to do it and see how it goes. And a lot of people said in the beginning this is really risky, this whole green revolution thing is just a fad and it's going to run out.
It's the hottest thing ever
and I thought,
now.
you know what, it's here to stay for sure. So I definitely thought that I was going to commit to that, and it's been going great so far.
And I think the biggest concern when people hear eco-friendly living, the first thing that comes to mind is it's going to cost me an outrageous amount of money.
Either that or you're living in a hut somewhere.
Well, exactly. And is there any truth to that?
Not really, to be honest. There's kind of two opinions. Some people are still stuck in that thought mode that it's like a garbage house, or I don't want to recycle products in my home, I want new. So that's not the case. I brought some really beautiful samples to show kind of what's out there now, and other people are kind of jumping on that train and do realize that it is a good thing.
So what does it mean exactly then to have environmentally friendly design?
Okay, so environmentally friendly design is not about deciding between good or bad. It's not that black and white. There's lots of things that you need to take into consideration, such as the manufacturing process, the construction of the piece, the materials, the transportation, the effects it has on the environment and our health, local economy. The list just goes on and on. So you really do need to look at all of the aspects and decide for yourself, is that really environmentally friendly? Getting bamboo flooring from China doesn't make sense because the transportation's just huge on that. So you really have to weigh in all the factors to make the right decision.
It's great to have you come in and talk about things like that, because transportation isn't the first thing that pops in your head. Yeah, if you've got to bring goods from another country rather than your own country, it's obviously going to cost the environment.
Exactly.
One thing when I was reading in the background, and I wondered what the correlation was greenwashing.
Right,
greenwashing. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, greenwashing is, well, environmentally friendly is not a new concept, but it is increasingly growing in popularity. Everybody's starting to get really, really concerned about it now with all of the media. People who are concerned about the environment were kind of seen as hippies or tree huggers, and it really has evolved into something more than that now. So with this growing concern, companies, manufacturers, suppliers, retailers, they're really seeing a huge opportunity, and there is one, and that's great for everybody. Some of them really do have the environment in mind and the consumer's best interest. Others are greenwashing their product to make a fast dollar. So greenwashing is portraying something as environmentally friendly when it's really not.
Right.
So terms that you're going to want to look out for are natural, or organic, green, pure. That's not environmentally friendly. So you really want to make sure you ask the right questions and find out, what does that really mean? Is this piece really environmentally friendly or not?
Is there labeling? Is there labeling?
Well, yeah, there is. Terms you want to look for are ecological, sustainable, environmentally friendly. That doesn't dance around the subject so much. They're being a little bit more direct. If you're not sure, you can also ask, do they have eco labels? Eco labels mean that a certain environmental standard has been met and that rules and regulations are in place and being followed. So these are kind of just some of the more popular ones that you might see around. You have the FSC, so the Forestry Stewardship Council. We have Environmental Choice, Green Guard, Green Seal, and Fair Trade Certified. So those all, again, have different meanings, and you want to make sure you understand what they kind of represent. But that's something, another way that you can be sure is ask, is there any sort of eco label in place?
And I think it's overwhelming for a lot of people. Would you provide the service to come to my house?
Absolutely.
And you could tell me, okay, this is what you can change, and this is
absolutely.
What you can...
And the biggest thing I do with people is actually take them shopping, because they don't know the right questions to ask.
Right.
And if you don't know, they may not particularly tell you the answers.
You're going to take us shopping in
well,
the next
right.
segment,
I love
right?
It.
Yes,
we
that's
are.
right.
So what we'll do, if it's okay, we'll take a short break. We'll bring out all the products that you've brought, and then Alicia's going to take us shopping and teach us how to buy green and include green in our homes. Don't go away. Be right back.